Hey everybody, today is March 3rd, 2019, and we are in New Mexico on the side of the road. And there's been some snow, and you can see these trees and just how cool these things look. I'll take you down here where I took some pictures already, and look at this up close. How cool that is. I think it's neat. And over on this side you can see this, where all this snow has built itself onto this little tiny twig. As you look at all these various things, check that out. Isn't that cool? It's made them so much thicker and bigger, and it just looks neat. And then here, as we scroll up here, you can feel that. I'll work backwards here for you, you can see. And way down there is that little building got set up as like a Texaco gas station. Of course, there's not a real gas station, but they got it made up that way. More, but you can see the road right here. We are out here in the FJ. You can see right there is the road sign, 64 87 East. And look at this field. See all the grass? Everything is just covered in white. Little treeway out there. This is the town of Grenville, by the way. Alright, let's keep on going. Okay, so here is the next thing I want to share with you. Hopefully it's coming through. It's hard for me to tell. Everything's so white out here. See that nice great big tree and that windmill there beside it. Very, very nice scene, I think. Yeah, just to show you, I mean, everything is, it's so much of a white out here. Look even on this fence. Look at the snow on each of these barbed wires here on this fence. But I just think that's such a cool scene right there. I hope you really appreciate that. And just get some more of the scene out here. Look at these little weeds. Share this with you. Look at these things. They're little old tiny twigs as well. Look at that snow. It makes them great big and fat. These are not things you would normally even notice without this snow. So, there's quite a bit of that. So, hope you've enjoyed this part. And if I can run across anything else, I'll show it to you. Either way, take care and enjoy your day.